Hey yo, thanks everyone for following me on YouTube. What I'm out to do, my goal is, I have a goal, and that is to teach everyone I can on YouTube how to tile. Here I'm wiping off a very shiny tile. My grout is called slate grey. And when your tile is shiny, it is so easy to wipe off. You've just got to have a gentle touch. You don't have to press hard, but all the time you're watching your lines. All the time, always when you're grouting, that is the key, I feel anyway. You watch your lines at all times. And you don't press hard. Bring out your sponge constantly. Make sure it's dry. Wipe her off ready. Whoop. There's a bit of a hole there, so just fill that. It's a hot day today. Summer's on its way. Well, nah, it's actually here. So that's it, people. I'll carry on. I don't want to bore you. Subscribe to my channel. I will teach you everything I've learned in 35 years. So there's a lot to get through. We'll see you on the next video. See you everyone. Bye.